Okay, so today we're gonna go through Prosperity. I love Prosperity. I've been using Prosperity for many years, and one of the reasons is because they have very low spread when you are trading. When you are having withdrawals, you have the withdrawal within 1 hour. They are not spamming you with anything. Just give you the money. You don't have to fight with them or anything. And this is of course something that we don't want to do with the brokers when we are taking out of our money from it. You can trade both cryptocurrencies, indices, you can trade Forex, you have metal, you have so many different pairs in here that you can trade, and I just love it. But the first thing that you're gonna do is of course use the link in the description down below the video. This is of course also how you're supporting my channel. But the first thing that you need to do is that you're going to sign up here, and you just fill in your first name, middle name, optional, last name, email, password. And when you are inside the platform, you also need to confirm that you are you with a KYC, but I really do like that. I need to have that. When you have been confirming everything and you're ready to go inside of here, and you will also have some emails confirming that you are you, so make sure to look at your email. When you are logging into your account, you just press log in, and then they will send you a OTP code sent to your phone. So this is how it looks when you are on the inside. And when we want to start to deposit, of course, you need to go to verification to verify that you are you. And when you have done that, it will say that you're verified and you can start to use the platform. When you are transferring your money, you will see it here on the wallet, and then you will be able to create the account. Because when you are inside here, for you to be able to create one account, you first of all have to deposit money. Okay, but we're gonna create a demo account. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna take a demo account, and this is the exact same way it's gonna be for a live account. So I always take 50 with leverage. You can of course choose whatever leverage that you want to have, and we're gonna take the 500 balance. We are creating one account. What's gonna happen now? They say successful. They're sending all of the details to my email. And this is how it's gonna look. So they're gonna give me the account number. It's gonna be MetaTrader and the trader password. So I'm gonna show you on MetaTrader how this is gonna work right now. So the first thing that you need to do is to download MetaTrader 405. I have 4, and you are creating a new account. You are logging into an existing account because you created one. I'm searching for Prosperity demo. And when you have that, this is when you're gonna go in between the email, and you are taking the account number, you're copying and you're pasting that one into login. You're going back to take the trader password, and you are only copying and pasting this one too. I always have saved password so I don't have to log in and out. Now we are on the platform, and when you go to history, this is where you will see the amount of money, the balance that you have just deposited. And on the category trade, this is where you will see all of your trades. And when you are going to chart, this is where you see the SPX 500 chart. On the plus bottom at the corner, you're pressing that one when you want to add more currencies that you want to trade on. So here I'm adding BTC. You're pressing the plus button, and when you're going back here, you'll see on quotes that BTC just was added to the list. When you press in chart, you will see the BTC chart right here. If you want to see multiple time frames, you have that on the left corner. And when you want to put a trade, you hold it in, and then you will be able to see this chart. And this is where I'm going to place one order right now, just because I want to show you how exactly it looks. So I put a sell 0.01. This is a chart, but we of course want to add in stop loss and take profit. You're pressing modify, and here you can see that I have to take away everything that the numbers that was given before to place my own numbers, because this is just how it is. You're pressing done, and when you're going back to the chart right now and we are zooming out, you can see that I added my stop loss and my take profit for the BTC trade. This is how it looks. If you want to close it, you are just pressing close with a loss 0.55, done. And when we're going to history, this is where you will see your previous trades, day, weekly, and you also have the monthly. And if you have any trouble and you want to contact support, you just have it right here, and they're very fast. They're very good at helping you out right away. And the support pin code is right here. So you're using this one for them to be able to help you faster. So I'm super excited to start to use this platform together with you. I've been using this platform for a very long time. So if you did enjoy this tutorial, make sure to give a comment below the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications so you know when I'm live next time and when I do have my daily updates, because now we're gonna start to look at some indices, gold, Forex pairs when the market on cryptocurrencies is very stagnant. Of course, they also have cryptocurrencies that we can trade on here. So yeah, have a great day, everyone. Bye.